Alright, we've made a couple basic drinks so far, but tonight I'm feeling a bit more adventurous. For this we'll want some dark rum, orange liqueur, fresh raspberries, brown sugar, and 1 lime. Of course, we'll want a shot glass to measure, and as always, please drink responsibly. This case is taking up a lot of space, so why don't we pull out 20 raspberries. And into the container of raspberries, we're going to pour 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Using a muddler or a similar implement, muddle your raspberries and brown sugar together. Now, before we put anything into the glass, we will want the most important component, ice. The ice, doing what it does best, will continue to melt and showcase the passage of time in between cuts. Thanks, ice. Thice. Now we're going to take our lime and juice it into the raspberries and brown sugar. I said, into the raspberries and brown sugar. Very good. Now you can pour it into the glass with the ice. It's very important that you do it in this order. But we've got kind of a small glass, so let's only use half. We can make a second drink later. Now, take your orange liqueur and... That's odd. We seem to have transported forward in time somewhat. You're going to want 1 shot of orange liqueur and 2 shots of rum. Then, shake your drink. Or, if you don't have the means to do that, simply stir with a spoon. For garnish, add a sprig of thyme. And anything else you'd like to put on the glass. That's a triangle. You know what? It doesn't matter. There are no accidents. This is your own special little red potion, the 𝗗𝗓𝗓𝗏 of time. Or lime, your pick.